Welcome to our channel, where we explore the world of Odoo. With standard Odoo, you can choose to invoice POS order or not, but the default is it's not invoiced. In this video I will show how to enable invoice option on POS order by default. Now, let's begin, but if you have not set up your computer for Odoo 17 development, you can follow the tutorial in this channel for easy and quick steps to set up your computer for Odoo development. The link is in this video description. Launch VS Code and open Odoo folder. If you followed the tutorial in this channel, the folder is in your home directory /odoo-dev/17.0.community. As usual, first, create the basic module skeleton, the directory structure, manifest file, and init files, as shown. And remember, you can always pause the video to copy it. Create a Python file named POS-config inside folder models and type in the codes as shown on your screen. Include this file to the init file in the directory. Then create a JavaScript file named payment_screen and type in the codes as shown. Continue by creating an XML file named res_config_settings and type in the codes. Our module is now ready. To use it, we need to install it first. Run Odoo with pressing F5 key or switch to Run and Debug tab and click the Start Debugging icon. Open browser and type in localhost 8069. Log into Odoo if you're not logged in. Go to Menu Apps. Update the app list by clicking Menu Update Apps List. Clear the search filter and type in POS-order to search the module. Click Activate button and wait for it to finish. To see if the module is working, create a new POS session and make an order. In the payment screen, you can see the Invoice button is already activated. If you don't want to download the invoice, you can turn it off on the POS setting. You can create another session in order to test it. Thank you for watching. Like this video? Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more Odoo development insights. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our tutorials.